Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2016 Range Rover Sport SVR. It is Range Rover's fastest SUV ever made. The Range Rover SVR, which stands for Special Vehicle Racing, is a large SUV with both luxurious and sportiness combined. Four-wheel drive, fitting for 5 passengers. Under the hood, it is packed with a powerful 5-liter supercharged V8 engine, pushing out an enormous 550 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque, and can hit from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, which makes it the fastest Range Rover in history. The 2016 Range Rover SVR offers the most advanced and luxurious features inside out, combining modern styling and convenience with classic ruggedness and an off-road ability. The Range Rover SVR has taken the vehicle's design cue to another level. Slick lines and rearward sloping roof give the vehicle great presence on the road. The design of the SVR features a fully revised front bumper with larger ducts and the main grille finished in black. The front quarter ducts are also revised and complete in a black finish, which makes it a truly sporty looking SUV with great performance in mind. So here I have the sticker to the car. As you can see, all the standard and optional equipment that comes with this vehicle. So as you can see, the standard vehicle price is listed at $111,350. And with all the optional equipment added, it comes up to be at $124,911. Up front, you quickly notice the strikingly designed front lighting that adds much of a thoughtful touch to the Range Rover. Innovative xenon lighting with LED signature daytime running lights blaze a clear trail in all weather conditions. High-intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also built into the front bumper. At the bottom, you notice some changes made to the front bumper with larger ducts and grille, all finished in black, and the SVR badge located on the bottom grille as well. In the middle, you have your front surround camera, and there's the SVR badge. And a closer look at the grille with Land Rover badging on it. The hood also features 2 air extractors for air to pass through, and it also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Very aggressive looking front end. Now moving to the side, you see that this particular model comes standard with 21-inch aluminum alloy wheel with 275/45 Pirelli all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of power-assisted 4-wheel internally ventilated brake discs, as well as the huge Brembo brake caliper painted in blue with Brembo lettering on it. The specific SVR fender, gloss black side view mirrors with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also built into the side view mirror. On top is the huge panoramic sunroof that offers both the front and the rear passengers a sweeping skyward view. It also can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 21 inches. Behind the rear wheel you also find the internally ventilated brake disc as well as the blue painted brake caliper. It also comes with all-terrain anti-lock braking system, all-terrain dynamic stability control, road stability control, electronic brake force distribution, cornering brake and hill descent control, emergency brake assist, trailer stability assist, as well as hill start assist, all of those which give the Range Rover SVR the ability to tackle all terrain. Tire pressure monitoring system are also equipped on all 4 wheels. Now looking at the back, the first thing you'll notice is the unique and stylish taillight with shiny black bezel. Taillight also comes with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. Very unique and stylish taillight. There you have the SVR badge on the lift gate. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the quad round titanium tip exhaust. Park assist as well as rear deflector are also integrated into the rear bumper. And a closer look at the exhaust tip as well as the rear diffuser. Very aggressive looking. Rear camera is located right above the license plate, and it will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. On top you have the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, so here I have the remote with Range Rover lettering on each side of the remote. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, light, trunk release and panic button. Now to turn on the light, just press it once to turn on and press it once again to turn off. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. Side view mirror will automatically fold when the vehicle is locked. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And all 4 doors does come with self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. The exterior color is known as chorus gray, featuring two-tone leather interior with silver aluminum trims and carbon fiber trims throughout. I love the sport seat in the SVR. It is very sporty and modern looking at the same time. Alright, now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, just push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 Range Rover Sport SVR have to offer. Under the hood is a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine, permanent 4-wheel drive system, 8-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter. It is pushing out 550 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 162 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 14 city, 19 highway, and 16 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the all-new 2017 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLS 63, dressed beautifully in polo white with porcelain black and exclusive nappa leather interior. I recently reviewed the GLS 450 base model and the GLS 550. Many of you have asked for a review of this particular AMG GLS 63, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. So the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLS class is formerly known as the GL, which is a full-size luxury crossover SUV manufactured by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz since 2006, with 3 rows and sitting for 7 passengers. It's a lot above the Mercedes-Benz M class, which is now known as the GLE class. The GLS is the flagship of the Mercedes-Benz SUV line. For 2017, the GLS lineup comes in 4 different trim levels, starting out with the GLS 350D, which is a diesel engine, GLS 450, GLS 550, and last, the AMG GLS 63, which is what I have here today. The new GLS model comes with a new facelift that features new front air vents, new front headlamps, new grille, revised rear lamps, a redesigned dashboard similar to the one found in the facelifted Mercedes-Benz M class known as the GLE. It also comes with new infotainment features, updated cabin appointment, as well as many other features. The new AMG GLS 63 also features a 5.5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine that pushes out a staggering 577 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque, while it bears the signature of the single technician who crafted it by hand. It's a high-tech powerhouse along with a millisecond quick direct injection and multi-spark ignition technologies. Increased fuel injection pressure and turbo boost are among the AMG enhancement that deliver 60 mph in the breathtaking 4.5 seconds. So here I have the sticker to the car. As you can see, all the standard and optional equipment that comes with this vehicle. So base price for this vehicle started from $124,100. With all the equipment added, it comes up to be at $130,800. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the redesigned headlamp. The active LED headlamp comes standard on the GLS 63 and feature dynamic full LED headlamps that generate lights that's even closer to natural daylight than bi-xenon headlamps. It also features active curve illumination and adaptive high beam assist that continuously vary the beam pattern of the LED in each headlamp to help maximize the illumination of corners and straightaway without creating glare for other drivers. At the bottom, you can see the aggressively designed lower front bumper that's specifically designed for the GLS 63 AMG. It is very sporty looking. There's the new double ball grille with chrome accents and the huge Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle with the Stronic Plus built into the logo, and you also have the AMG badge there. Front camera is located right under the Mercedes-Benz logo. The hood also features 2 air vents, one on each side for air to pass through. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Once again, very good looking front end. Now moving to the side, this particular model comes upgraded with 22-inch AMG multi-spoke bi-color wheels with 285/40 Pirelli tires. Behind the wheel is the set of slotted and ventilated cross-drill brake discs and the huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in red with AMG lettering on it. V8 bi-turbo badge on the fender. And there you have the illuminated running boards to ease your entry and exit. Gloss black side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also integrated into the side view mirror. On top is the huge panoramic sunroof as well as the double roof rails. The panoramic sunroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 22 inches and comes with 285/40 Pirelli tires as well. Behind the rear wheel is the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs as well as the red painted brake caliper. It also comes with adaptive braking technology, anti-lock braking system, as well as brake assist. Tire pressure monitoring system are also equipped on all 4 wheels. And AMG lettering are also printed on the brake caliper, as you can see. To the back, you quickly notice the redesigned tail light with fiber optic effect. Integrated into the tail light is the LED brake light as well as the LED turn signal light. Very cool looking tail light. And there you have the GLS 63 badge as well as the long chrome strip. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the quad black tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflectors and park assist are also built into the rear bumper. AMG lettering are also printed on the exhaust tip. And there's the trailer towing hitch, as well as the trailer light plug. There you have the rear view camera that will retract once the vehicle is in reverse, and the AMG badge. On top you have the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. I love that blacked out quad tip exhaust. It makes the rear end look very aggressive. Alright, so here I have the remote. On the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock and trunk release button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. Side mirror will automatically fold once the vehicle is locked. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock, and once again side mirror will automatically unfold. So all 4 doors does come with self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it will close for you. The exterior color is known as polar white, featuring porcelain and black exclusive Napa leather interior, with premium dogwood trims and carbon fiber trims, as well as silver aluminum trims throughout. Very classy and elegant interior. Now let's get into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, just push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2017 AMG GLS 63 have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.5 liter V8 bi-turbo engine with direct injection, AMG speed shift, plus 7G tronic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, AMG performance 4MATIC permanent all-wheel drive system with equal start and stop function, AMG sport suspension based on Amatic air suspension with height adjustable, pushing out 577 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. It can hit from 0 to 60 in a quick 4.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 13 city, 17 highway, and 14 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The Porsche Cayenne is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV manufactured by the German automaker Porsche since 2002 with seating for 5 passengers. It is now currently in its second generation, and today I'm proud to present to you the new 2016 Porsche Cayenne Turbo in jet black metallic. For 2016, the Cayenne received a facelift to its front and rear ends with a wider nose and a larger blade air intake which feed vital air into the engine. It is now sharper and even more sophisticated with the newly designed headlight, taillight, hood, as well as the front fenders. The new Cayenne styling is also very attractive. It serves to emphasize the car's dynamic, an impression that is confirmed by a number of other new details, including the standard daytime running lights, featuring 4 integral LED daytime running lights, as well as the new LED taillight and an integrated quad-round tailpipe. The sides are also precisely contoured, which make it clear that it is a sport car with character and stature. Every detail has been used to highlight what matters most. The result is clear, distinctive appeal. The new exterior mirror now comes with integrated turn signal indicator, and the new wheels are also in size up to 21 inches. Now, with that being said, the new Porsche Cayenne is even more athletic and muscular than ever before. Up front, you quickly notice the newly designed LED headlamp with revised daytime running lights that feature 4 integral LED daytime running lights, which has been integrated into both the standard bi-xenon main headlights and the optional LED main headlights. The new LED headlights makes you more visible to oncoming traffic during daytime. LED turn signal lamps are located right above the side air intake. At the bottom, you can see the pair of LED fog lights. High-intensity retractable headlight washer, as well as park assist, are also integrated into the front bumper. And here's a look at the large imposing air intake that feeds vital air into the engine. And there you have the front surround camera. Very aggressive front ends. There you also see the cornering light located on the side. Now, this particular model comes upgraded with the 21-inch Cayenne Sport Edition wheel with wheel arch extension. Behind the wheel, you also see the 390mm internally ventilated rotors with 6 piston caliber painted in red with Porsche lettering on it. Body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. And you also have the side surround camera under the side view mirror. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 21 inches. Behind the rear wheel is the set of 358mm internally ventilated rotors with 4 piston caliber in red with Porsche lettering on it as well. It also comes with aluminum multi-link axle for the rear and aluminum double wishbone axle for the front, as well as Porsche stability management. To the back, you see the stylish and purposeful taillight with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED taillight offer an ultra-fast response and greater illumination that will help notify driver behind quicker to help prevent possible accident. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that frames the quad-round titanium tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflectors as well as park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. And here's a closer look at the tailpipe. There you have the trailer hitch that can tow an estimated 7,500 pounds of towing capacity. And there's the trailer light plug. Porsche Cayenne Turbo badge. And there you have the rear camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. On top is the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the beautiful Porsche remote with panic button on the back. On the remote, I have the unlock, lock, as well as trunk release. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as jet black metallic, featuring leather interior in black and cream. It also comes with shiny premium wood trims as well as aluminum trims throughout. Very elegant interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, insert the key into the key ignition located on the left and turn it to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 Porsche Cayenne Turbo have to offer. Under the hood is a 4.8-liter V8 twin-turbo engine with aluminum block and cylinder heads, direct fuel injection and two-stage dry sump lubrication, active all-wheel drive system with fully variable clutch plate, 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission with auto start and stop functionality, pushing out 520 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 550 pound-feet of torque at 2,250 to 4,500 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4.2 second and 4.1 second with the Sport Chrono package. Top track speed is electronically limited in the United States at 173 miles per hour. EPA estimated fuel economy is 14 city, 21 highway, and 17 combined. Very impressive engine. Hey guys, I have here today a very exclusive 2017 BMW X5M dressed beautifully in Donington Grey Metallic with arrogant full merino leather interior. The BMW X5M is a high-performance version of the regular X5 and it is a mid-size luxury SUV offering seating for 5 passengers. The first generation of the X5 with the Tasis code E53 made its debut in 1999. It was BMW's first SUV, also known as 4x4 in the UK, which featured all-wheel drive and was available with either manual or automatic transmission. In 2006, the second generation X5 was launched, known internally as the E70, featuring the torque split capable X-Drive all-wheel drive system, made it to an automatic transmission. And in 2009, the X5M performance variant was released as a 2010 model. This third generation X5M features a 4.4-liter BMW M twin power turbo V8 engine, boasting an incredible 567 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Combined with an 8-speed M Sport automatic transmission, it can hit from 0 to 60 in a quick 4 seconds. The 2017 X5M also features an M-Tune X-Drive all-wheel drive system, which ensures road gripping traction. It delivers perfect distribution of drive between the front and the rear axle, while dynamic performance control distributes torque between the 20-inch M double-spoke light alloy wheels. all for a new level of dynamic driving and an all-road capability. The X5M is an undeniable force. Its powerful design commands respect, while a thunderous V8 works with the all-terrain capability of the X-Drive all-wheel drive system to give you track-level performance on all roads. So here I have the sticker to the car. As you can see, all the standard and optional equipment that comes with this vehicle. Base price is listed at $98,800, and with all the optional equipment added, it comes up to be at $112,795. Up front, the X5M comes with adaptive full LED headlights with dynamic auto leveling, corona headlight rings, cornering light, as well as daytime running lights. Very cool looking LED headlights. A pair of LED fog lights are also standard on the X5. High intensity retractable headlight washer as well as park assist are also built into the front bumper. At the bottom is the aerodynamic lower front bumper, which gives the X5M a very aggressive stance. And here is a closer look at the BMW X5 double kidney grille, finished in black with X5M logo on it. Front camera is located right under the grille, and it also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. So moving to the side, you see that this particular model comes standard with 20-inch light alloy wheels with 285/40 run flat performance tires. Behind the wheels, the set of ventilated cross-drill brake discs and the huge AM brake caliper painted in blue with AM lettering on it. And there's the X5M fender. Body colored side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also integrated into the side view mirror. On top you have the huge panoramic sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and it comes staggered with 325/35 run flat performance tire as well. Behind the rear wheel is also the ventilated cross-drill brake disc and the brake caliper painted in blue. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, dynamic stability control including brake fade compensation, start-off assist, brake drying and brake standby feature with AM dynamic mode. Now looking at the back, the first thing you notice is the full LED tail light. Integrated into the tail light is the LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED tail light illuminate faster and help alert driver behind quicker to prevent possible accident. LED tail light looks very unique and stylish. At the bottom is the aerodynamic rear diffuser that frame the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflector and park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. And here's a closer look at the exhaust tip. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate and it will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And there's the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, so here I have the remote. On the remote I have the unlock, lock, trunk release and panic button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. So the door does come with self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. The exterior color is known as Diamond Gray Metallic, featuring arrogant brown full merino leather interior with silver accenting trims and carbon fiber trims throughout. Love the way the seats look. Very sporty and good looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, just push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2017 BMW X5M have to offer. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter BMW M twin power turbo V8 engine, 32 valve with variable valve control, double vanos and Valvetronic, and high precision direct injection, 8-speed M Sport automatic transmission with drive logic, sport and manual shift mode, with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter and launch control, all-wheel drive with auto start and stop function. It is pushing out 567 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. It can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 mph in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 14 city, 19 highway, and 16 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior.
Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Bentayga is the most powerful, the most luxurious, and the most exclusive SUV in the world. And with a top speed of 301 kilometers per hour, it's also the fastest. It is designed, engineered, and handcrafted in Crewe, a true showcase of British modern luxury. Owners will enjoy spending time with friends and family in the most refined and luxurious SUV wherever in the world that journey takes